In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to edit a PDF file without any software on Windows. First of all, you have to open your browser and then type www.adobe.com. I have given the link in the description. Then you have to click Edit a PDF document. Then click Upload. Now you have to upload the file you want to edit. When you have uploaded the file, it should open the file here. Now you can edit your document without installing any software. When you are done editing your PDF, now you can click on Save Changes shown at the bottom. And then click Download. Don't forget to subscribe and hit a like button for more tech videos like this.